Hello viewers, and welcome to my channel. Fact number 1, ever wondered why your credit score matters? It's more than just a number. It can affect where you live, the job you get, even your insurance rates. Yet most of us graduate without ever hearing the term credit score. Understanding credit is a basic life skill we all need. Learn how it works, how to build it, and how to protect it. Because your future could depend on it. Fact number 2. Taxes. Taxes is the mystery of adulthood. Most of us can solve for X, but filing taxes? That's a different story. W-2s, 1099s, deductions, credits, it's like a foreign language. And yet, we learn nothing about it in school. I stumbled through my first tax season, confused and overwhelmed. But then I found a guide that made it all make sense. Now, I file with confidence, knowing I'm not leaving money on the table. If taxes have you puzzled, trust me, you need this. Fact number 3. We are tested on IQ, but rarely taught about EQ. Emotional intelligence, knowing how to manage your emotions and relate to others, is a bigger predictor of success than your test scores. Schools often miss this entirely. Imagine understanding your emotions and those of others, navigating social complexities with ease. EQ is the secret sauce to thriving in life. It's time we start learning it, don't you think? Fact number 4. How to budget and save money. Most of us learned about compound interest, budgeting, and emergency funds the hard way. Personal finance should be a core subject, not an optional life crash course. Step 1. Track your expenses and know where your money goes. Step 2. Set up a budget that works for you and stick to it. Step 3. Build an emergency fund for those unexpected moments. Remember, it's not about how much you make, but how much you save. Start today and watch your financial health glow. Use code SAVE20 to kickstart your savings journey, or keep struggling. Your choice. Fact number 5. Your legal rights as a citizen. You have the right to remain silent, to an attorney, and more. But do you really know your rights when stopped by police? Schools focus more on government structure than real-life civil rights. It's crucial to understand what you can and cannot do. Empower yourself with knowledge. It's your best defense. Stay informed, stay protected. Know your rights because they matter. Fact number 6. How to learn, not just memorize. Cram, forget, repeat. That's the cycle we're stuck in. Schools teach what to learn, not how to learn. But speed reading, memory techniques, spaced repetition, these can supercharge your brain. So why aren't they taught? Let's break the cycle and learn how to learn.
Fact number 7, how to rent an apartment, leases, deposits, credit checks, tenant rights, completely missing from the curriculum. Yet it's one of the first adult things young people face right after school. Navigating this maze can be daunting, but it's crucial. Understanding your rights and responsibilities can save you a lot of trouble. So before you sign anything, do your homework. And remember, knowledge is power in the rental world.
Fact number 8. Healthy relationships and boundaries. We learn the biology of reproduction, but not the emotional intelligence to navigate real relationships. Consent, communication, red flags. Shouldn't these be core knowledge? Imagine if we were taught how to truly connect and respect each other. It's time to prioritize emotional intelligence in our education. Because understanding each other is just as important as understanding ourselves. Let's make healthy relationships a priority. Fact number 9. How jobs and careers actually work. You're told to follow your passion, but not how to write a resume, network, negotiate salary, or understand job markets. Career readiness needs more than a single-day career fair. It's time to equip yourself with real-world skills. Don't just dream about your ideal job. Prepare for it. Learn the tools to navigate the job market effectively. Fact number 10. Basic first aid and mental health awareness. Knowing CPR or how to stop bleeding could save a life. Recognizing anxiety or depression in yourself or others, potentially life-saving. Yet mental and physical emergency skills are often skipped over. Let's change that. Equip yourself with these essential skills. Because being prepared is more than just a good idea. It's a responsibility. Learn, practice, and be ready to make a difference. Your actions could be the reason someone sees another day. So, are you ready to step up? Conclusively, education is powerful, but it should also be practical. If you think these things should be taught in schools, hit that like button and subscribe for more real-world and insightful learning that goes beyond the textbook.